Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock Monzo card. So in order to do this, the first thing that you need to do is to simply come to monzo.com. For that you need to type monzo.com in the search bar of your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and then once you are on Monzo's official website, you need to select the personal account if you had personal account with Monzo. But if you had business account, then you just have to select the business tab. So let's say you had the personal account with Monzo. So after selecting the personal account, you just have to simply scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you come in the bottom, because in the bottom you will be able to see the help center section. So you need to click on help center and then you will be landed on this help center page. Now over here you need to scroll down again until you find this number. So you just have to simply call them on this number. This is their customer support number. So you just have to contact them and you just have to request them to unblock your account, and if they can, then they are going to unblock your account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.